Hey, what's up? I'm gonna talk on what's new in iOS 11.3 public beta 4. If you are new to my channel, it's all about Apple news, devices, and systems. Currently, I am focusing on iOS, iPhone app reviews, and doing sometimes tutorials and a little phone unboxing. Apple just released iOS 11.3 public beta 4. Here is the size of update on iPhone X and on iPhone 7. The update it was fast installing after download. As we know, Apple changed the name of iBook app the last beta to Box. Apple in this update returns the name back to iBook. Some people confirmed this update fixed some Wi-Fi or cellular disconnect issue and fixed black screen when black screen appears in some apps. And also fix early forecast in weather app does not show sometimes. AirPlay 2 removed from beta 2 and still no AirPlay 2 in this beta 4. Apple wants to delay this feature, we don't know, maybe it come next update. For performance, here tests done on iPhone 7. We did 6 tests for CPU performance, 3 before update and another 3 after update. The overall performance is not a big change, just a little slower than the last beta, according to the tests already did. That's all about iOS 11.3 public beta 4. Please don't forget to subscribe. Hope you enjoyed this quick video. Click like if you like it, or dislike if you don't like it. Let me know in the comment below what you think for this update. See you in the next video. Goodbye.